Okay, so today I want to talk about Sitelink extensions, what they are, and sort of how they can help you maximize your ads and how you can improve them if you already have some. Now, with Sitelink extensions, we usually use them for search campaigns. That's where they tend to be most used. And I've got a number of campaigns in my account. So if I click on that, and then I go to ads and extensions, you will see as I click that, it then shows you the ads. And then if I click extensions, you can see the various ad extensions that I have in there. So image extensions, site link, and so on. And I've got quite a few. I believe I've got about 12 on this one. So ad extension site links really help you enhance your ads. And if you look here, we've got our primary ad, then we've got our site links, which point to other sections of the website. Now, if you think about it, a lot of people who come to your site, they may not actually want to purchase at that point, or to contact you or something like that, but they may see another page that looks relevant. For example, somebody may be looking for a Google Ads expert, but sometimes may be looking for training. So they've got access to that. And so it shortens that path that people can take to various pages on your site. So you don't want people getting on your site and then getting lost and looking for information. The site links really show you how it really show people more data that they can reach out to and so forth and contact you. So if we want to add some more, we'll click that button and we can add a lot more. So you can add a text and you've got 25 characters, then you got a description, and you've got the final URL. So final URL example.com. This is the example site link or whatever. I'm just giving that as an example. So those two are really required, the text and the URL. But a description is good as well because usually when your ads come up right at the top, the descriptions show, and then it gives your ads more position in the search results. So site links are really good in that sense, and I really recommend them. I think everybody should have them. So as I added that one, you can see what it looks like right there, and then I can add descriptions and so forth as the way I want. So try and add as many site links as possible because it gives the system more information to rotate and run ads and so forth. So add as many as you can, as long as they're relevant, obviously, to the keywords and the search terms that you're running. I hope that has been helpful. Those are site links. I'm going to be looking at other ad extensions in Google Ads soon.